the inverter or the bearing. The bearing.
Because you'll hear that noise still when it gets to full speed.
Feel the vibration here.
Nice bit of a shake on it.
Hey?
Nice bit of a shake.
You can feel the vibration here.